Good day everyone, you're welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to present a transparent roof and a transparent wall in Revit. Without wasting time, let's begin. Alright, I'm going to use this simple model to demonstrate how you can make a transparent roof and a transparent walls in Revit. Go to Property panel. Here you see Visibility stroke Graphic Override. Click on this. Then I go to Roof. This is my roof. Then under Transparency, click on it. Then drag this towards the right or maybe to the end. Click OK. Apply. Say OK. You're going to see the roof is now transparent. You could see what's happening on the interior part of the building. As for the wall, same thing. In this case, I'm going to choose the shortcut, which is VG for visibility graphics. Then I scroll down to wall. Here is my wall. Then transparency, I click on this. Same thing, I drag this towards the end, say OK, and click OK. You can see you have this. The essence of this is to present your work in certain ways depending on what you actually want to present. Maybe if you have your rafters, your trusses on top of the roof, under this condition you could see it clearly and present it that way. So this is how to make your roof transparent and your walls transparent. And if you want to undo that, the same way, you go back VG and then move down to your roof or any other element you want to make transparent, you can do same. Then you drag this back to the end. So that's it. If you've learned anything new in this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Share it to support what we do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.